Next we have shear and to sphere. With shear we get these handles, and we can grab one of these handles and shear it in that direction. Right. Now for to sphere, let's add some cuts. Alright. So now if we have everything selected and we just click and drag to the left, we're going to force it to be a sphere. Let's add a couple more cuts to that. So we can see how that's working. We can also, let's say we want this to be a perfect circle. Well, let's just add a plane, actually. We'll make it bigger. Let's move it off to the side. Alright. Let's add some cuts. Let's do that. Alright, so let's go into face mode, and we're just going to make a selection that we don't want. So we'll delete it. So we'll hit delete, and we'll delete the faces. We have that loop there, so let's to sphere. Right. And we get almost a sphere. So we don't have an even distribution, right? So let's make that. And now let's try. Well, we don't have even distribution here. Now we should get a nice perfect circle. That works kind of around. So we'll delete these faces and to sphere. You get a little bit of wonkiness, but that's nothing we couldn't fix. So we could do, right? Let's say right about there. And we can come in here and move those back. To about there. We could just take that, hit S, Y, and 0. And let's see what that looks like. Alright, that is shear and to sphere.